G'day everyone, Artist Wayne here on a super ride. But first we even got to have a civilised breakfast at the Wild Milk Factory with Mandy, Nikki P and even the Combat Wombat before hitting the trails in the wild Watagan area of New South Wales, Australia. And we were welcoming back the one and only Action Amy the Pocket Rocket after she broke her foot. And of course her partner in crime, Tommy Boy, was here, along with Adrian the Pin-Up Boy, who was helping me catch all the action today. And this bloke in front of me, that's right, today we were being led by Mad Mal the Bin Chicken. So naturally we'd be heading to Kurrumbong, because for some reason, Mad Mal loves Kurrumbong.
I love Kurrumbong.
As for me, it was great to not lead a ride. I was happy to just sit back and help catch the action as well. The weather today was perfect, boys and girls. We were going to have a fantastic ride. I could feel it in my loins. Unfortunately, the day wasn't without some bike issues. And naturally, it was either going to be Tommy Boy or Action Amy's bike. And today it was poor Amy's bike, after doing such a great job coming back since she broke her foot. First Action Amy's bike wouldn't start, then Action Amy's bike wouldn't stop.
I don't know how you're going to turn it off now.
Thankfully Adrian and I were there to catch all the drama. And in the end the bike was stuck in reverse, and that's how Tommy Boy had to take it back to the cars, leaving us to carry on. And now we were three. The trio, the trilogy. Artist Wayne, Mad Mal, Adrian the Pin-Up Boy. Back together, just like the old days. Back when we couldn't ride. Fast forward to today, and we still can't ride. But if there's one thing us three know how to do when we're together, it's have fun. And today was filled with laughs. When Adrian and Mal start beeping their f***ing horns, I only have to sit back and wait for karma to catch up with them. We'd almost reached our destination, Kurrambong, where we'd have a bite to eat, a chinwag with some other riders, before setting off again. But after our lunch, the weather had completely changed. We went from beautiful sunny Central Coast weather to rainy, miserable Lake Macquarie weather. Fortunately for us, it wouldn't rain for long. We were almost home, boys and girls, but sometimes to get Mad Mal to do one extra trail, I'll tell him it's a shortcut, a wormhole. You know, a wormhole through time and space. I assure him it'll get us back faster, and this was one such trail. I'd never done it before, but I didn't tell the boys that. Who knows where it'd take us or where we would end up. All I know is it was steep.
He's an idiot. He is an idiot. Whoa! He is an idiot. The wormhole.
Wormhole.
Look at that, boys and girls, the road! I don't know why these fools doubt me. I probably saved them 40 minutes through this wormhole. Yeah, gorillas in the mist.
Adrian!
What happens in the forest stays in the forest.